Hey Newegg viewers, Juan Carlos Bagnell here. We're at Computex 2019 at the G.Skill booth. Kicking things off, just a fun little accessory for G.Skill to show off. A really handy little keyboard. $50 for Cherry MX Red switches and double shot keycaps. That's a killer deal. That's a steal of a deal for a solid, straightforward keyboard under your fingertips. And while we're going off of some of their custom builds, they're showing off some really fun PCs here on the show floor. They maybe have my favorite custom build of the show. They're totally cheating by building a PC into a Heineken keg. I probably have not sampled the beer from this PC case because it's only 10 in the morning. So moving right along. This is G.Skill though, so we really want to talk about RAM. This is their bread and butter. This is what they're really proud to show off. And again, this is another generation of 5,000 megahertz parts coming from G.Skill for you Intel builders out there. 5,000 megahertz at CL17, 5,200 megahertz at CL18. Some killer options there, but fret not AMD builders, because we also have their second generation offerings for 4,000 megahertz. Those of you looking at a Ryzen 3rd gen build, you're gonna have plenty of options to make sure you're properly fueling all of those high performance parts. And Computex is always a fun place to show off concept gear, get a sneak peek of what's coming down the pipe, and G.Skill's no exception, showing off their Trident Z Neo concepts, what their future designs might look like, and I think these are pretty solid RAM heat spreaders. A very modern look, kind of a Mondrian aesthetic for your RAM. Drop us a comment down below. Is this the type of design accent you'd want to feature in your next build? Higher performance is the name of the game at Computex. Always the name of the game at Computex, from your chip to your motherboard to your storage, and of course, your RAM. So that's going to do it for us here at the G.Skill booth, Computex 2019. Thanks so much for watching, for subscribing to this channel, sharing these videos. Make sure you're subscribed because we've got more coming from Computex here in Taipei. And for Newegg Studios, I'm Juan Carlos Bagnell. I will catch you all on the next video.